Suppose you have a line or anything. Suppose you have a line of 4 feet. Now we are not able to extend or trim it anymore, but we need to increase its length. So how will do that? If you go here, actually if you go here and if you click extend, just see no extent will be available because they have no limited or they have no obstacle to touch that line. In that situation, we can use lengthen. So by clicking here modify, just they have option name lengthen or LENG. Okay, if you just press LEN and then enter and select an object to measure, select, then they have some option. The one is delta, second is percent, and third is total. So first of all, I'll show you about totals. If we click total, now specify the total length. So what will be the length of that? I'll provide 6 feet, then enter, select the object to change, click, and now go for linear, and from here to here, just see this is 6 feet. So the previous length was 3 feet and now our new length is 6 feet. In this way we are able to lengthen our object very easily. Now again here 6 feet. Okay, 6 feet. Now again I'll go for LEN, then enter, select the object to measure, select it, then I'll go for delta, click here delta, and then it's telling us enter the delta length. So what will be the delta length? I'll provide 2 feet, 2 feet, and select the object. So if I click here or if I click here, if we click the left middle, left of middle, then it will increase 2 feet in left side, and if I increase right of middle, then it will increase in that side. Just see at 2 feet. And now if we go here for linear, just see it will be 8 feet, right? So in this way you can increase that. Now they have another option. Suppose you have 8 feet of line. Now you want to increase of a certain percent. So how will do that? Same again, LEN, then enter, select an object and click here percent, and provide here, enter the percentage length. So what will be the percentage length? If you suppose if you increase its length in 100%, then simply click 100 and enter and select the object. Sorry, we have to, this is already 100%. Again I'll enter and I'll select an, I'll click here present, and here I'll provide the value. Already this is 100%. Now if you increase its size in 2 feet, so what will be the 2 feet of 8 feet? It will be 25%. So if we click here 100 and 25, then enter and select an object, just see it will increase in 2 feet, and if I just go here it will be 10 feet. See, so this is the way to increase your length or decrease your length by using lengthen. So thank you very much.